Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the cryptocurrencies to invest in after the crash. Let's get right into it. Financial markets are in a rough patch, as the triple threat of inflation, rising interest rates, and geopolitical uncertainty send investors racing to the exits. In this video, we will explore the best crypto to buy during the crash for maximum upside potential. Let's list them out. Number 1. Bitcoin. The king of crypto, Bitcoin is also one of the most expensive investments out there. It was close to $70,000 per token at its peak. However, its price has dropped by nearly 70% to around $20,000 per token, the lowest in 18 months. While there are no guarantees when it comes to investing, especially in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has a better chance of recovering from this downturn than some other cryptocurrencies. It is by far the most popular cryptocurrency, accounting for more than 40% of the total crypto market. It is also the oldest cryptocurrency, having recovered from numerous slumps in the past. In fact, it has lost more than 80% of its value on multiple occasions while maintaining positive average returns over time. Of course, past performance does not always predict future results. However, if any cryptocurrency is likely to survive this bear market, it is Bitcoin. Number 2. Ethereum. Ethereum is the second most popular cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, and its price has fallen in recent months as well. It is currently down nearly 77% to about $1,100 per token. The most significant advantage of Ethereum is its decentralized applications. It is a programmable blockchain, and its network is home to non-fungible token marketplaces, decentralized finance projects, and smart contracts. Developers are also working on an upgrade to transition Ethereum from a proof-of-work protocol to a proof-of-stake protocol. When that is finished, the network will be significantly faster, more energy efficient, and less expensive for users. Again, while there are no guarantees when investing in cryptocurrency, Ethereum's future appears promising. If you invest now, you could potentially see significant returns if the price rises. Number 3. Solana. Solana was once a rising star in the cryptocurrency world, but recent difficulties have caused it to plummet. Its value has dropped by more than 86% since November to $34 per token. Part of the reason for this crash is the overall crypto winter, but Solana has also had issues in recent months. Its network has been knocked offline multiple times this year due to bugs and attacks, sometimes for hours at a time. Fortunately, the developers of Solana claim to have resolved the issues that caused these outages. If that's the case, Solana could be on its way to greatness. It already has a clear advantage over its competitors. It is faster and has lower transaction fees than Ethereum, for example, and its most recent project, Solana Pay, may help it compete with Bitcoin. If Solana is able to make a comeback, investing now could be profitable. Number 4. Aave. With a market cap of $1.9 billion, Aave is down 79% from its all-time high reached in May last year. The asset's dirt-cheap valuation and innovative fintech use case, on the other hand, gave it impressive long-term potential. Aave belongs to the decentralized finance class of cryptocurrencies, which aim to replace traditional financial services like banks with blockchain-based equivalents to give investors more options and control over their wealth. With a unique twist, the platform allows users to borrow and lend cryptocurrencies. Aave loans are 100% collateralized, which means that their primary purpose is to allow the borrower to cash out their cryptocurrency holdings without selling. This service may be useful for investors who require liquidity, but still want to benefit from long-term asset appreciation. Aave's appeal will naturally increase in a crypto bull market, making it an excellent way for investors to bet on the industry's recovery. Number 5. Tama Doge. Tama Doge is a good buy right now because it is in pre-sale. That's even better than prices that have crashed because the project has only recently begun but is poised for massive growth for a variety of reasons. Tama Doge, for starters, provides utility and rewards. Second, its supply of 2 billion tokens is depleting because the platform burns 5% of all tokens spent on the platform. When compared to Dogecoin, which does not provide rewards but instead increases its coin supply, it's clear why Tama Doge is a more valuable coin in the Doge ecosystem. Unlike Dogecoin, this coin was not created as a joke because it allows players to earn money while playing. Monthly, the players who raise their digital pets the best receive the most rewards from the prize pool. Tama Doge apps and Tama Doge arcade games will be available soon. Nonetheless, the Tama Doge project is poised for expansion. Listings on exchanges such as LBank and Uniswap are among its expansion products. This will make the coin more accessible to investors, increasing its exposure. Waiting for Tama Doge to be listed on centralized exchanges may be too late. During the pre-sale, the game's creators intend to sell half of all coins. Investors should act fast, since most coins will sell out and many others will be burnt automatically, which means a scarce Tama Doge coin. It's possible to use Ethereum and a MetaMask wallet to buy Tama Doge, but investors can opt for USDT or credit card purchases via Transact. Cryptocurrency is more affordable than ever, and if you've been thinking about investing or diversifying your portfolio, now is one of the best times to do so. While no one can predict whether crypto prices will recover, choosing your investments wisely can help you protect your money as much as possible. That's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any future content we'll produce for you guys. We're signing off now, but we'll be sure to catch you all in the next one.